he brought enough booze to quench our thirst, but he entered the studio without booze. I'm wondering.
I got you.
I'm wondering where the booze is or the boozes are.
Of course, I see camera for you.
Okay. Skills to the building, and now we'll go open the phone lines very soon, so that if you want to interact with Skills, you ask him any question, you fit calling. Please, all the ladies, calm down. Please, for every guys, not call only babe, only babes call. Some guys will say, what do you mean? Some guys, when they ask, they say, what does it mean? How? What do we do now? What do we do? Ajebo, everybody can call, and of course, everybody can call. Realistic mode.
All right, we don't get some questions for Skills on top our Twitter, and we'll sharply try to take some of the questions where your fans get for you. This one where they come from Sir Kruger, and he say, how you take meet Wheezy and Banky W? Plenty questions for you. Plenty questions.
Okay, we can answer this one first.
Yes, answer this one first.
Wiz, I've been jam Wiz for one studio session like that, where I've been going for one time like that. So now so we become friends. Did you hear me?
I didn't hear you.
I jam Wiz for one studio session where we do for Night House that time. That time I'll be the good Night House. They beg to record, all those kind of things. They helped me too, so shout out to Night House too. So that day I jam and from there too I can't jam my manager Osage, and from there I've been the hustle small. They go up and down, they perform for club, for bar, they do everything. Then one day somehow somebody can send me text message, say, oh, Banky hear about you, he won't sign you, I can say. And before you know, I can't agree. I be no believe I've been teaching a joke before.
Which year be that?
You don't tell. I don't even remember when exactly, but like you don't do like 3 years.
Now you say you don't take.
Because they
That's not what I'm thinking.
Alright, JB.
Are you pondering what I'm pondering?
I think so, bro. I think so, brain.
We're pondering the same thing.
Are you pondering what men always ponder?
Yeah, I ponder everything you ponder.
Alright.
We are pondering right now. We're pondering many things.
JB, they ask you, say, why you no want drop album?
You know, say, like they talk now. People talk, say, Rome wasn't built in a day. A small, you understand? So, the way Nigeria, what they do for Naija, be say, now after one person, and the second person will go. So, we is not finished now. We can't drop EMA album to anticipate to create chance for me to drop my new single.
Alright.
So, once I just drop my new single, just expect my album anytime soon.
Okay, you don't hear them from Case. Alright, another question.
Yeah.
Your fans, they no want tire. Vince Ed, he say, why is he shifting away from being hip hop to R&B?
I still do hip hop now.
No, my see.
I did do hip hop.
No answer this one. You know why? Do the one where they bring money.
No, but the truth be say, as artists, you're not supposed to limit yourself. You're supposed to think outside the box. You understand?
You need to be versatile.
Yeah, you're supposed to.
Not back down for you. Oh, you said you listen to our show, back down.
You give me $100 for every bag down.
Bag down Ranger. We don't make it bag down Ranger. Skales official bag down Ranger.
So, like as I talk, as artists, you supposed no get limit. You supposed to do everything. Like you supposed to play keyboard, produce yourself. Supposed to be write music. Supposed to sing. Supposed to be rap. You understand that kind of thing now. So God don't bless me with 2 of them. So I don't want to limit myself now. I want to do everything where I feel like to do now. You understand? At the end of the day, music is used to express yourself. So I try use my music to express myself in different ways where I fit, and in different ways where God don't bless me or don't inspire me to use my talents where He bless me with. You understand? So now what me I do with that, but of course that's hip hop is my first love, so I ain't even breaking up with her yet.
Alright, nice one from Skills. Skills, I beg, how many years you be?
I just turned 21, like first April.
Okay.
81.
21, yo. Hey.
If you be 21, now you say you need to feature Fatai Rolling Dollars. Number one, the remix. Let's to the K.
And you go there surprised now the way the thing will take sound.
I get one new one where they do say sample Sonny Ade. Oluwa lo ṣe mi lo yo mi wa. I don't know if you know that song. I know to know the
Moyo, Okay. We'll ask you one more question before we take another music break. Okay, we'll go open the phone lines after this one, and so that now if we ask any question. Skills, are you single or seriously searching, or you are taking?
I'm definitely single.
Oh, did you hear it? Definitely.
Available. All the guys out there available.
I'm planning to marry somebody very soon, though.
Yeah.
Plan to marry success, you know what I mean?
So they could be the lucky person.
Yeah,
So
her name is Success.
all the young ladies out there, you don't hear Skills. They definitely very very single. So just
You
look.
fit apply.
Exactly.
Yes.
Send in your application form, qualifications, endowed, up at the front, everything. You know what I mean. All right, 014623778, 014623779. We open the phone lines right now, so if you call in and ask Skills any question where you want to ask them, we get just about 15 minutes to do that, and then we'll go there out of the building. Skills go there out of the building. For now, another one from the EME album. This one has Skills. My Baby, Groover, when they come back. Lovely
Yes,
song.
so it was produced by SARS.
Alright.
Another great producer.
You know you're right now. When I Groover, when they come back.